Tonight at camp, we're going to be trying some cheeseburgers and sweet potato wedge french fries. Let's get into it. Do you eat these parts? If you do, let me know down below. Comment, tell me. So we're going to just cut this in half. Let's see, probably do it like taking sweet potato fries, steak fries. So kind of thickish. I can wedge the best I can. Did not bring a cutting board. Knew I was forgetting something. A little more manageable in this one. Get back here. All right. So we got all those ready to go. I think these big boys here, yeah, we're just gonna leave them. Okay, let's go. Let's cut an onion now. Now for the onion, I only need a few rings for my burger. So just cut the bottom here. Get rid of that little person. That's a horrible knife. But let's see. Yep, let's keep going. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. That should be fine. And maybe like that. Okay. Save this for tomorrow morning for our breakfast bowls or burritos or whatever, and we'll go ahead and get rid of those. But we've cut an onion, so I guess next is making that patty. And I'm thinking we probably should cook these potatoes first. So let's go ahead and get this set up here. About like that. We'll get that heating up. Little beef fat. Love these little containers for stuff. And you know what I did not bring on this trip? Was a spatula. Dang it. Well, I got a fork. It'll work. All right, let's get these cooking. I'm pretty sure these are going to take the longest. Besides, the hamburger should go pretty quick. Overcrowded. Back in business. Again, no spatula, but we're going to be okay. We're going to get it done. There's my secret, the butter house something canards, I don't know, something. I just give it a butter flavor. I like it. Pickles. I got my pickles here and my onion. We got cheese. And we got mayo, the bun. I'm not a big toasted bun person. I'm not against it. I'm just not all about it. So don't judge me. Put this back in the bag so we don't dry it out too much. Two forks. There you go. Okay, I think we gotta take this burger off. Right like that. Let's go build us a burger. Let's have some dinner. All right, burger, sweet potato fries. Put a few of these rings on here. 3 should be enough. 3 should be enough. Then I have my pickles. Love me some pickles. La 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 la. Come on, get out of there. Awesome. All right. Cheeseburger. And trying to fall out. Let's see how we did. Is that a smash burger? See if I can get a bite here of everything. That is good stuff. And I have some mustard. Dijon mustard. And perfect for these French fries. Sweet potato French fries. Let's see how these go. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. You guys go do something. Don't watch me eat. Don't. Got it?